Hi everyone, this is Jeannie Ellis, also known as Scrapbooking Mama. I am so excited to share with you. I got a request from Beebeecraft, from Molly over at Beebeecraft, to do a video haul and a uh, couple of tutorials on some projects that I'm going to be using from product I received from them. I'm just really excited about and pumped out. Now I'm going to insert a video in here also of the unveiling and everything that you'll see in it. I'll put links below in the description box, but I just want to let you know I'm just totally excited about it. My husband came in carrying this big package from Beebeecraft, and he says, "You got this great big package." And I said, "Oh, I know what it's from. It's from Beebeecraft." And I was just so excited. I went ahead and cut it open on the end, and then I realized, oh, wait a minute, I need to do a unveiling video. So I've not taken anything out. It's just the way it is right now. I just cut the end open, so that saves a step there. But let's see what we got here, okay? Now, what I like about these, first of all, is the fact that they're in some awesome cases. They're not just mailed in packages, but they came wrapped in bubble wrap and taped down tightly, and then each one had a package wrap on it. And, for example, like this, they came in this type of a package. So I was like, woo! This is tightly wrapped, and that's the way to ship it, because nothing will be lost out of the packages or anything. So I got several different packages. I got some beaded, these are called, I believe, crackle beads, if I can open them. They come in these little containers, and they are just beautiful. And these are some gold and silver beads, and each one of these are also wrapped in a little package. And then these are also wrapped in little packages. But look at the case. And I got some rondelles, crystal rondelles. I was like, wow, I am just excited. So I will be doing a video tutorial on working with these, and make probably 2 next week, at least 1 next week and 1 the week after. But I will be doing video tutorials on what I'm going to make with some of these beads. Obviously I can't make them all at one time because there's a ton of them. So this is just fantastic. So anyway, stay tuned, watch out for my video on making some projects with these awesome goodies. Thank you for watching. Now, one other thing, and it's a big thing. Beebeecraft is having a promotion now. It's a 2019 last and biggest clearance sale all month long, and it's up to 75% off just for the USA warehouse products. Now, the USA warehouse will move to a new address, and some of the products are sold at cheaper prices. So don't miss out. The quantity is limited, so you need to hurry up. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to check out their promotion for the month of May.